present. Myself, Hani Sultana, belongs to Department of Management Studies, SNOS College of Technology. As a part of lecture series, today we are going to see the topic productivity under operations management. See, what is the productivity? Productivity is measure of economic performance that compares the amount of goods and service produced in the form of output with the amount of inputs used to produce those goods and services. So we are estimating the from the previous discussion, we are giving the insights on how much of raw material has been taken to produce the particular product in the finished product, in the form of finished product. So here we are going to discuss on the time management aspects, and we have wide 10 aspects. So know how you are spending your time in production of goods, and stick to a daily schedule and prioritize which process and it has to be taken place, and what is the schedule, what is the activity to assign next. And next is to tackle the most difficult task first, that is as I said in the prioritize. So what is the process flow? So we need to understand the process flow in order to make a plan to identify which is the difficult task and to finish the difficult task first. And batch process similar task, that is the process. Here batch process indicates the production of into different processes. Set reasonable time limits, learn when to say no, and avoid the multitasking. We are doing the same similar task or repeated task at a time. Definitely there will be no proper outcome or expected outcome will not be achieved. Sorry. And keep things organized and use time management tools. So these are the these 10 aspects will definitely increase the productivity. So we are also setting the SMART goals, and SMART goals we are talking about the specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant, and time bound. So this SMART goals, it's assigned in terms of, see what is the goal and what is the objectivity, how we are we are understanding the mission statement through which how the mission statement is attainable, and what are the details of the goal, and what do I want to accomplish within it, and who is involved in doing the particular task, and what is going to happen, and what resources are available to do this specific task. And measurable, how can I be able to measure us, how will I measure the progress, do I have to necessarily tool to measure my progress, or how will I know the goal has been accomplished. So we need to evaluate based on the actual performances and evaluated established performances. And into attainable, do I have financial capacity to accomplish my goal, and do I have the skills and willpower to accomplish my goal, will I have the access to help when it needed, do I have all the necessary resources, do I have to carry what is the ultimate goal to be achieved, and which is relevant, what is the relevant data or relevant things which is available to me, is why is the goal is important, and is this goal worth my time, is this goal the right time for it. So time bound, when will I achieve this goal, when will I carry out these activities that will bring me to my goal, and when can I expect the outcome. So I have attained all this. See, we have specifically targeting on the goals and measuring what is achieved and attainable, whether it is attainable or we can attain or not attain, and relevant sources, and time bound, which is relevant to the outcome of the product. So task organization and task prioritization is the important aspect in the productivity concept. So previously we have to create a task list, choose a method to organize your task, how the task can be assigned to the particular employees, and schedule a task in a calendar, and communicate your progress to your teammates. So we can quote an example, as we have Bittrex. We can have the we are planning and we are assigning the task to our either our supervisor can assign the task to the team, or we ourselves, we team can assign a task to the our fellow co-worker, and we are assigning the task in a calendar, we are setting the time limit, and we are communicating through the description of this particular task which is assigned to our to the responsible person. So this is how, when we work based on this, definitely those productivity challenges can be overcome, and the estimated production can be achieved. Here we are also talking about the work-life balance. It is the crucial in enhancing the employees' well-being, productivity, and overall organization success. So numerous studies have contributed and demonstrated its importance. For instance, a study by the University of Warwick found that happy employees are 12% more productive than their unhappy counterparts. So environment is also paying an attention in the enhancement of productivity. So mindfulness and stress management, like we are so a strong work culture will definitely will enhance the productivity. So a stressless work culture and a stressless life, and when we have a mindfulness, when we have a positivity, when we work towards the positivity, definitely will achieve the productivity. So these are the things which we have discussed. And how do you prioritize your task and manage your time effectively? We have using our task management techniques, we have prioritization and time blocking. So definitely this is prioritization. Thank you for listening.